In this video, I will be showing you how to make a custom envelope liner in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking the search bar on the home screen and typing in envelope liner. There are a lot of great templates to choose from, so I'll spend a moment scrolling through the results to find a layout that works for my project. I decide to go with this beige and green illustrated flower document and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I want to add some personalized elements, so I head over to the Elements tab and search for Mother's Day. I find a Happy Mother's Day graphic and place it right in the center. To make it pop against the background, I click Edit Image, navigate to Shadows, and select the Outline tool. I'll change the color to white and adjust the size and intensity until I have a clean border. Now, I'll continue browsing the Mother's Day graphics to find a few more details to add. I find a lovely mama text with a heart and a line art illustration of a mother and child. I'll change the color of these graphics to black to match the aesthetic, then resize and position them carefully on the bottom flap of the liner. To update the overall style, I'll search for minimalist flowers back in the Elements tab. I want a more modern look, so I'll start deleting the original flower graphics and replacing them with these simple line art designs. I'll take my time selecting different floral stems, changing their colors to a dark olive, and using the flip and rotate tools to ensure they fit perfectly in the corners and frame the text. I'll add a few more variations of these minimalist flowers, adjusting their placement until the design feels balanced and elegant. Finally, when I'm happy with how everything looks, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner. I'll select Download, change the file type to PDF Standard, and hit the Download button to save my custom liner for printing. And that is how you create a beautiful, personalized envelope liner in just a few minutes.